In this segment, we'll talk about copy, paste, duplicate, and cloning. And to get started, I'm just going to choose to create a star shape. And so here we have, it's a simple 6-pointed star. And maybe I'll go in and zoom in on that a little bit. And I'm going to select the object and show you, I guess first of all, if I just choose copy, it takes that star and puts it onto an imaginary clipboard that's in your computer. And right now I can click off to let go of it. And if I hit paste right now, it adds us another star to the design. I literally have 2 stars, one on top of each other, and I'll just move one off to show you. See, there's the first one I created. There's the one that I pasted. If I hit paste again, I would have another one. So now I have 3 stars. And it's the same kind of concept if I use duplicate. So for example, if I click on this star, and under the tool options I have an option called duplicate, and if I click on that, again I get another copy of the star. So duplicate and copy and paste is very much the same thing. Now notice if I click on this particular star and then make an edit to it, like for example reduce the number of rays from 6 to 5. Notice that this star has 5 points, but these ones still have 6. That means that they're all individual stars that are not a clone. Now, to show you cloning, what I'm going to do is, I guess maybe what I could do is delete the stars that I have, and I'll just keep the one that I've started with. So I have 1 star, and I'm going to make a copy of it. But before I do that, I'm going to come up to my Edit drop-down menu. And there's an option here called Add New Objects as Clones. So I'll do that. And now I'll use the Duplicate tool to create a new copy of this star. And so here's my copy of the star. Whoops, click and let go. So notice now that I have 2 stars, but now if I select one of these stars and change it to be, let's say, a 6-pointed star, both stars become a 6-pointed star. So it doesn't matter which one you select. If you make a change, so we'll go to a 7-pointed star, they both become the same, and that's because they're clones. So any edit that you make to one of the objects will be applied to all of the objects. So that can be a very handy thing. So that's the difference. The drop-down menu, when you turn on new objects as clones, it sort of associates the new objects with copy and paste and makes them a clone. And if you uncheck that and then go ahead and select an object and say duplicate and bring it down, now this object is not going to be a clone, and I should therefore be able to select that and change the number of rays back to, let's say, 5. And it changed this one back to 5, but these ones are still 7-pointed stars. So that's the difference. So that's how you can use copy and paste or the duplicate tool, and then how you can use the new objects as clones option to create objects, duplicates that are cloned and therefore can be edited to match each other.